How to verify Cash App if you're under 18. So for this, we'll need to use one of Cash App's features. So just click on the top right corner on your profile. And right here, if you're under 18, you have to input a family account. So I'm going to explain how this works. Basically, just click on family and it will ask you whether you are a teen or you want to invite a team. So basically, your parent has to have an account. So basically, a sponsored account for anyone 13 to 17 can be set up in minutes and used immediately with approval from a parent or trusted adult. So an adult needs to have an account and they need to invite you here or approve your account. So if you're under 18, you want to click on I'm a teen. It will ask us to confirm our name, official name, government ID, and then after you have set up your account from the family section, then the other person that you have input as your parent or adult guardian, then they need to approve your account, and that way you can actually use Cash App if you're under 18. So hope this video was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.